Welcome. So here's the unique paper code. The name of the paper is Vedic Maths 3. It's a VAC course. It's for semester 1 to 4. The maximum duration is 1 hour and maximum marks is 30. Guys, remember to read all the instructions before attempting the question paper. Okay. So here's the question number 1. The angle between the lines 3y minus y equals to minus 2 and 3y plus x equals to 7 is the MCQ. Okay. Second, the value of tan 75 degree. Third, the value of sec square theta upon minus tan square theta is. Fourth, the perpendicular distance between line 2y equals to x and the point from the point coordinates 3 by 4 is. Fifth, given Baudrillard numbers for an angle A are PBH, then Baudrillard numbers for 3A are. Question number 2. A. Two persons on either side of the temple are 75 meters of height. They observe that the angle of elevation on the top of the temple is to be 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the distance between these two persons. B. A lotus whose height above water surface is 1 meter and its tip bent by the wind sank at the distance of 2 meters. Find the depth of the water. Question number 3. Establish any three Bodhvana trigonometric identities using unit circle method. Question number 4. A. Prove that 2 tan minus 1 2 upon 5 plus sec minus 1 4 by 3 equals to cot minus 1 63 minus 20 root 7 upon 60 plus 21 root 7. B. If sine A equals to 12 by 13 and sine B equals to 8 by 70, find sine A minus B and tan A minus B. Thank you. If you guys want any other PYQs of any other subject, do mention them in the comments and I will post them as soon as I can. And subscribe to my channel for more DU content and stuff. Bye for now.